Eli Moselle with Halo Robotics. We're here at Garuda Wisnu Kencana, a national monument which just finished construction. It's actually 30 meters taller than the Statue of Liberty, in order to do a proof of concept of a drone operation using LiDAR to map the statue and its surrounding environment in perfect three-dimensional detail. Halo Robotics is the Indonesia partner of many global leaders in drone technology, including DJI Enterprise and Emison, which makes the autonomy and LiDAR payload which we are testing today.
Nama saya Johannes Sukidi, Managing Director dari Halo Robotics. Jadi LiDAR itu adalah Light Detection and Ranging yang menggunakan laser point untuk mengambil data 3 dimensi yang sangat akurat untuk keperluan-keperluan sebagai pengukuran as-built, volumetric data, dan juga data-data terrain atau kontur lainnya. Metode yang kita lakukan untuk pengambilan data di Garuda Wisnu Kencana ini, kita planningkan untuk akuisisi data. Setiap sisi daripada patung itu kita ambil per satu flight. Post processing daripada data LiDAR sendiri itu akan memakan waktu 1-2 jam saja. Lalu data tersebut akan digabungkan untuk diproses lebih lanjut ke proses clean up, tergantung berapa akurat data yang ingin kita dapatkan daripada akuisisi tersebut.
This is a very important project for us today in order to demonstrate drone LiDAR technology at this exciting time for commercial drones in Indonesia. First is the ability of the Emison HoverMap payload to be plug and play with DJI drones, and to do so in a very simple and user-friendly fashion. Second is the ability to detach the sensor and use it easily as a handheld sensor to walk around the base of the statue and the surrounding assets as a flexible and easy handheld tool for serious professionals. A third thing that's very important is the ability of the drone to use the Emison HoverMap autonomy functions to navigate independently through three-dimensional space. And this is what makes Emison drone technology absolutely unique, which is the ability of the drone to localize itself in three-dimensional space and fly safely around tall metal structures and high-risk industrial assets in a very safe and comfortable way. So Garuda Wisnu Kencana actually has several features which generalize over into other industrial settings like oil and gas, mining, infrastructure, telecoms, and power. Some of these functions that we tested today make the DJI drone and Emison HoverMap sensor a really powerful combination that is unlocking the potential of commercial drone technology and keeps taking it to greater and greater heights.